also you'll be able to do it that way. Ayan. So, hindi, ay, sorry ah. Umaga lang ang internet. Dapat yata kumunit na ako sa network. Okay, what do you think? One of the things that you can do also, or one of the things that we will do later, is to register your blog in the Pinoy Top Blog. Ano kayo, nakaka-ambisyoso kayo, di ba? Na you're blogging for real, you know, you're blogging for fame and fortune and success, so, di ba? So, one of the things that you will do is maglalagay kayo ng ganito sa blog nyo. Now, think of it this way. Of course, if you try to be on the top 50, ay, pero kahit na wala kayo sa top 50, the mere fact na meron kayong ganito sa website nyo, what usually happens is that people, especially like si Yuga, si Abel, no, the guy who runs the Pinoy Top Blog site, ganyan, no, meron siyang 27 pages. Nakikita nila eh. So, as a result, kahit yung ako, like regularly I look at this. So, from time to time, I get to see who are the new bloggers as well. So, usually, hindi na ko yung pinakadulo, kung sino yung mga bago. So, nakaka-initiate din siya ng readers. And then, in your case, if you're looking for inspiration, like how other people blog, you can use this to see how do people maintain their blog, like this one. Pinoy Big Blogger. So, ang ginagawa niya, wala siyang, minomonitor niya lang yung Pinoy Big Blogger na development. Merong nag-blog about cooking, like si Pinoy Cook. Pinoy Cook is a lawyer. She's a lawyer. And as a hobby, nag-blog siya about food. So, yung blog niya, may mga picture ng food na kinain niya. Yung tinibol po niya today. Kukunan niya ng picture, and then ikukwento niya kung paano pin-repair yun. Kasi alam niyo, yung mga Pilipinos overseas, marami doon yung mga magluto. Kaya kung merong mga specialty sa inyo, you can take a cooking blog. So, di ba? So, marami lalaki nag-vlog about food, ah. So, meron din radio portal, Philippine Center for Investigative Journalism, Chikadora, mga pinag-vlog dito yung Jewel in the Palace. Puro yung kinikwento din yung Jewel in the Palace. Thank you. So, parang kahit hindi ka nakakatawa, pinukwento. Meron nag-vlog pa nga about the American Idol. So, mga binablog yun na. Yung mga nag-vlog ng American Idol, matataas na dito na. Kasi hindi na Pilipinas sa kanila. Everyone is interested about American Idol. And to read them also. Of course, meron Philippines for Men. Manuel L. Quezon III, yung apo ni former President Manuel L. Quezon, is a very popular blogger also. Meron din dito yung J-Spot, travel blog, Notes from the Peanut Gallery, yan yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. Yeah, meron nag-vlog, Buhay sa Korea at Pilipinas in Korea. Ellen Tordesillas is a very popular columnist for Malaya. And, sama siya nagpo-column pa. Avante and Mirror Magazine. So, yung column niya nakalagay din sa blog niya. And then, Susan Ople, yung anak ni former Senator Blas Ople, yung Balsano, nagpo-blog din siya. And then, you also have marami, no? So, marami ito, mga foods and everything. So, unfortunately, most of the popular blogs are entertainment blogs. So, you really have to choose what topic you want to blog about. I don't want to blog entertainment blogs kasi I don't really watch TV movies that often. Kung hindi bagay sa akin. So, alam ko yung expertise ko. So, ito na ako na po. So, kailangan clear din yung purpose mo why you blog. No? Maybe if you're blogging for profit and you're just really after making hits and hopefully then probably a lot of people will click on it and okay, no? So, it really depends on what your target market is. Okay, ulit lang ako kanina, no? Ito yung pinost natin kanina, yung mga yung sinasabi ko na you can tag articles, and then you can add it here, and as a result, you can appear in your blog. A blog roll, a blog roll looks something like this. Yan. Pwede ka maglagay ng blog sa ID. Parang link to other people's websites. You can put the link there directly or put it in a blog roll. Now, normally, the blog roll that I use, dami, no? Dami, puro blog yan. Ibang blog. Ginagawa ko na yan eh. Gagamit tayo ng Blogline platform. sometimes allows you to monitor other people's vlogs without going to their vlogs. So, makikita mo kung sino yung mga may bagong update sa vlog